What's up everybody, DIY with Tag here. I'm gonna show you a garden update today. It's July 2nd, so we're now about two months and change into the garden, so I'll show you what's growing, show you how it's going. All right everybody, as I said, July 2nd, so give you the garden update here. So we got the strawberries in front of us. These have really been going great. Probably already pulled about a dozen or so off, but you see we definitely got them growing in here. Sorry, the light's a little challenging today, but the strawberries are really going great. If you remember from a few videos ago, I showed you how to help the strawberries expand, and this is an expansion right here. In just a matter of a couple weeks, it's already blowing up, and the plant is just spreading out everywhere. So that's fantastic. The peppers, our little baby peppers, getting bigger now. There he is. Look at him go. The pepper plants are growing real well. Tomatoes, we're starting to get our tomatoes in as well. It's starting to get hot here where we're at, so we're seeing bunches of tomatoes popping through, coming on out. So that's great. The cherry tomatoes are starting to flower. Again, these cherry tomatoes love the heat, and it's just now starting to get really hot here where we're at. So I'm starting to see those go. The cantaloupe here really spreading out nicely from the little plant that we started with. Watermelon we're having some trouble with, just to show you not everything goes perfectly. The watermelon we're having a little trouble with. Just doesn't seem to be, I think it's in too much sun, keeps drying out on us there. Cucumbers are flowering. Look at those babies going, climbing and growing there. Lots of flowering on those. Carrots continue to expand out, and then the carrots is the corn. It's my first time with the corn. Look at that. Corn is tasseling. We are rocking and rolling there, folks. The corn is coming in, and almost all of them have some degree of a little baby corn making its way into this world. So the corn is really starting to crush it. I'm super excited. We're gonna have a bunch of sweet corn going. Here's another one tasseling. So things are looking great in the garden. The corn is going. Everything's looking good. Thanks for hanging for the update. Again, this is DIY with Tag. I am Tag. I look forward to the next update.